Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 ML350 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. This one is equipped with the lighting package, which is going to give you bi-xenon headlamps with active curve. We've got a brushed aluminum running board, black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, ML350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Parktronic with active parking assist, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system. Also comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. With the Premium 1 package, you get navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors in the front and rear, radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our buttons for our media center. This vehicle has 56,938 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML, check out feldmanimports.com.